Moms have a million things going on. That's why I invented the Star Minder.
I really think you might have something. I'm going to give you an offer.
Running a company's a 24/7 job.
What about your husband? Could he take care of the kids?
Nate?
Wait a second, is he here?
What?
Yes.
Yeah, bring him out.
We are moving. We're moving.
Here he comes.
What, are you kidding? Are you eating a donut?
No garbage can
You
out there.
can finish it.
No, it's wrong.
I'm out of here.
I'm out. I'm out.
Your wife is having the moment of her life and you're stuffing your face? You're a bozo.
I thought, are you allowed to talk if you're already out?
Lori thinks I might have something, but are you sure you can handle this?
I'm the top salesman at the dealership. I think I can handle a month alone with the girls. You act like I'm gonna blow the house up.
Bye. Dad, the front door is locked.
There's a window in the back. We'll crawl through that.
This isn't the 1950s. Dad stay home all the time.
This is not gonna go well.
Dad, you're going the wrong way.
To your school.
To any of our schools. You don't know where our schools are? I'm gonna come along.
What? No, give me the phone.
Hi, what's up?
What's going on here?
Your wife had called you to replace your roof.
You're hired.
Really?
I'm going to just make a call.
I called all the top-rated places. I also called this guy because his bid was so low, I thought I could use it against the others. Who did you go with?
One of the real good ones.
Nate will come.
How you doing, Shiva?
Hanging in there. It's a lot of chores.
I'll get 2 weeks of t-shirts and 2 weeks of underwear.
What happens after 2 weeks?
We throw all this out and start over.
Hi. I wanted to check and see how you were doing.
Yeah, great.
Sir,
Sorry.
this is a spelling bee.
Really great. The most great.
She makes it look so easy, but it's so hard.
This has the potential to change all of our lives.
Trust me, I'm not gonna let your dream die.
Okay, but that's mostly on the horse.
Okay, are we ready?
Oh, no.
It's just a little wax.
Wait, are you filming?
Action!